Hey everyone, Fatty from Pack-a-Punch Traders here. Going to make a quick video going over the top 5 plays for tomorrow. We got NRXP, TBLT, PSHG, GOVX, and CMRA. Let's just dive into this here. NRXP had a great first green day. Solid push here, a little bit of a fake out. It retreated. There was an angle from 90 cents to the low ones, but that's all there was. All there was now is a fade, but all on light volume. So I'm thinking if this could hold up, come back and reclaim 90 cents, $1, the previous high day level, and the breakout level around 91, 92, this thing could possibly continue the squeeze of the breakout and get to the 120s, 130s maybe, some resistance in those areas back here. But yeah, so simply just looking for the failure to break down to squeeze shorts out. If it could come back, confirm the breakout level, previous high a day area, and from there, should possibly see 120s, 130s. Even if it doesn't touch the 120s, if you're in the low ones, you're still making 10% if it's getting to 115, 117 or so, right below it. But yeah, that's NRXP. Next up, TBLT. Nice bounce that it had. Now we're looking for the breakout. I'm pretty sure if I remember, this had an offering or something. Was it this one? I forgot. I'm thinking of this one, but I might be wrong. But yeah, nonetheless, here volume is kind of picking up. Super low float, low market cap. As usual, if the volume comes back, if it confirms key levels, it starts to uptrend and hold these areas. Shorts could definitely get squeezed out even higher from 9-ish to next key area I'm really seeing is around 13, 14-ish. We'll see if it could do that. I'll be taking my quick snipe if I'm in around 9 or 10. But just looking for the volume to come back to play the breakout. If the volume isn't there, this could easily be a double top that we face here. We do, like, volume is recovering from the fade here, but we still also got to recognize it's not what it was, and you do have this volume resistance here. And if there isn't enough volume to bring this back and hold it up to squeeze shorts out, this thing just might be a double top and we just get a failure. So keep an eye on the volume and the trend, but that's TBLT with the breakout play. Next up, CMRA. This was a decent call the other day. Thinking of the mid threes, 4-ish break to test 5. Didn't get there, but still had a decent opportunity of 10-15% or more if you're in the mid threes. But here we are, this choppy thing, low flow, low market cap, kind of just figuring out its range here. 4th day in a row up, volume definitely faded, and now we're just looking for a breakout. We got a consolidation day here. If volume doesn't come back, probably won't be playing the breakout, but if it does and it starts holding these key areas, it's a low float. If the demand is really there, it could definitely have the force behind the play to push it to 6, maybe even higher, mid 5s or so. What do I have here written down? To test the mid 5s. So yeah, to test the next resistance area right here. So another breakout play, CMRA. Once again, as usual, really just keep an eye on the volume and the trend. Here we have PSHG, kind of a waiting game as well on the breakout play for volume to come back. Not in a hot sector right now, really, with monkeypox. There's a few of those plays popping off in the healthcare sector. So that's really been my focus, but I will follow the momentum. And if this thing gets volume and it starts reclaiming 33 cents, that's going to be a breakout. And don't see why it can't touch 40 cents. So far, this one's my least favorite on out of my top plays, but still something to keep an eye on for a breakout play if volume resumes like it was the other day with high demand. Majority of it buying, of course. Is this it? Lastly, yep. Lastly, GOVX here had a nice play on this here to end the week. I didn't think I posted anything about it yet. I will. But all this was a simple breakout. Volume was there. It came back, confirmed and held key areas in the right sector. Low float, low market cap. This was checking all the boxes off. But now, after a huge dump here, this thing's trying to reclaim. So, if this could come back for the mid threes and confirm that area, if monkeypox is still in play, San Francisco and I believe now New York are taking actions against it. I don't even know what those actions are. I just saw some headlines. But we do have a previous high day break as well as a breakout on the multi-month chart. So that could squeeze even higher. So we'll see what this could do. Could possibly get to 4, mid 4s. But the key really is going to be the volume and it reclaiming previous high day in my eyes. So that's a wrap. Those are the top plays. A couple other decent plays below here, which was I think Sky X was one of them. I was really keeping an eye on, but didn't think to put it as a top play. But if it is for you, go ahead. I'll post this right now on Twitter. Just wanted to go over my top plays. Hope this was useful. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Check us out on Twitter at Pack-a-Punch Traders. Besides that, hope everyone had a great weekend. And let's get ready for tomorrow. Attack the week strong. So have a great one, and we'll catch you guys later.